in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through? Eyes in the sky, gazing far.
Oh no, I think there is an ad coming up.
No, silly, we are having Google DSC over.
Google, here.
Yes, and I would like to take this opportunity to introduce Google Developers Student Club VIT to our energetic audience, brought to us by our zealous convener, dearest Sachin Deshpande sir, and our visionary leader, Pranav Khattar. This is Ria, along with Riddhi and Sonali, your hosts for this wonderful evening.
We welcome all the galaxy of intellectuals, honorable authorities, and beloved fellowmates to the orientation program of GDSC VIT. So, what exactly is GDSC?
रुको जरा, सबर करो. You know what? Before going further, let us take a look at the official logo.
Wow, I'm already excited. Core motive of GDSC is to build a community of students, developers that embrace new technologies to provide optimum and effective solutions. Here we convert ideas into reality, so don't be afraid to dream big. Here are the people driving the purpose. This remarks the beginning of the first student chapter of Google DSC VIT. Special credits to our amazing design team for the videos. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Sachin Deshpande sir to address us.
So thank you very much, Riddhi, and good evening to one and all, and welcome you all, guys. Dear friends, right now I'm a bit busy because there is another program going on which is hosted by a bit of like contribution from Student Council. But well and good, dear friends, as the quote by our own Prime Minister goes, the more we give importance to skill development, the more competent will be our youth. And I believe this is the prime motto of GDSC at Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. This is Sachin Deshpande, convener of GDSC, and I feel honored to propose an inaugural address. Thanks for inviting me. Dear friends, Google Developer Student Clubs are community groups for college and university students interested in Google Developer Technologies, a community of like-minded people who are passionate about creating impact in the society and attempt to leverage technologies for the betterment of humankind. By joining GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment. I'm just reading out what I've come across on their website. Uh, and Pranav was telling me that this session is going to be formally informal, so I don't want to take much of your time. And I take this opportunity to appreciate all the efforts put by Mr. Pranav, our GDSC lead, and his team to reinitiate the GDSC activities in our institution. I wish all the very best to all my dear GDSC members and wish you all contribute in our aspiration of providing technological solutions to make the dream of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat to come true. Thank you very much. And I, with your permission, my dear friends, I will leave the meeting because I need to be there present, okay, in the other meeting going on. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating words. You surely got us pumped up. I'd now like to invite the man behind the wheel, Hamara Sitara, Pranav Khatal.
Hey, thanks a lot, Riddhi. Can anyone acknowledge if I'm perfectly audible?
Yes, Pranav, totally.
Yeah. So, hey all, this is Pranav Khatal from TEXTCB. I am most honored and humble to be the club lead and setting up the first ever club over our campus. It's Google Developer Students Club. It comes with an immense pleasure and responsibility to be associated with Google and represent them in front of you all. Now let's step into the era of GDSC. Google Developer Students Club is all about our actions and goals, and here we nurture a shared vision of converting ideas into reality. Expect the unheard things from us and join us to explore what makes us the coolest club on campus. I'll repeat myself, the coolest club on campus. Make sure you stay there till end as we have some really cool surprises and gifts for you all. Our spandex might be tight, but my team and I are tighter. So let me introduce you all to my team.
Hey everyone, I'm Sonali Vedade from third year EXCC branch, and I'm an enthusiastic person who has a penchant for connecting with inspiring people. And yes, I'm the public relations lead, and I'm super excited to interact with you all, and let's witness growth together. Over to my co-lead Shrishti.
Hello everyone, this is Srishti Sharma from TEXTCB and as a public relations co-lead, and we have a motive to establish a good social network with everyone and let's grow together. I'm very thrilled to have a journey ahead with you all. Now let's present our core members of public relations. So yeah, this is our team. Next slide, yeah. Yeah, this is our team.
Hey everyone, This is Anushka Shinde. I am from TECMPNB and I am the sponsorship and marketing lead here at GDSE VIT. And me and my core are here to soar above the rest to provide the best. Over to you, Akshaj.
Hi everyone, I'm Akshay Salvi. I'm the marketing and sponsorship co-lead for this year. And I know I look very different for my pictures over here, but I'm looking forward to working with every one of you and getting to know you. And let's meet our core now.
So hey guys, this is Parth Yadav from TECMPNA. I'm the events and operations lead for GDSC VIT 2021-2022. So apart from all this, I like playing football also. So after lockdown, everyone can hit me up for football. And yeah, so I believe I was born for greatness and will not settle for anything less than that. So here I am at GDSC VIT. So I'm looking forward to having a fantastic year with everyone. Over to you, Ria.
Hey guys, I'm Riya Ingre and I am the events and operations co-lead. I believe I'm a chill person with a light personality so that your talks won't get too tiring. Along with my core, I will strive to come up with efficient and creative ways to do things. You know what? Let's take a look at our events core team.
Hey, hello everyone. This is Atharva Keshatia from TEXTCB, and I am the design lead of GDSC VIT 21-22 session. And yeah, I am very excited for this tenure. And yes, the journey is gonna just awesome. You will love the journey, and me and my core will make sure that we will take each and everything in a creative way. Over to you, Chaitanya.
Hello guys, this is Chaitanya Sausakde from TINFTA and I'm the design co-lead for GDSC VIT. So me along with my amazing team will make sure you go wow with our work. So here's my amazing team.
Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Varale from third year INFTA. I am web development lead. So guys, we all believe that first impression is the last impression. So me with my team will provide you with the best websites and the best user interface. See you all there.
Hey, hello. I'm Hiram Limay from TCMPNA. I'm your web development co-lead for the tenure of 21-22. And but I believe in only one and one philosophy. That is excellence ke piche bhago, success ke jhak maar ke piche aayegi. So that's what we will be striving at the Google DSC Club for excellence and not success. Success will be the result. Let me present to you our web development team.
Hello everyone, myself Karthikajit Bodhankar. I am the Android development lead for this tenure for Google Developer Student Club. Let me say we have something in common. You don't know what I'm going to say and neither do I. Over to you, Deep.
Hello guys, Deep here, Android development co-lead, and I'm very glad to say that you all are here for the core inauguration, and we are gonna have a great tenure ahead. So looking forward to work with you all guys. So I'll present my code now.
Hello everyone, this is Nimish Saman. I'm the technical lead for GDSC for the tenure of 21 and 22. I'm basically a technophile who loves to code and to explore more about new technologies. And over to you, Dishant.
Hi geeks, myself Dishant, the technical co-lead for this tenure, and I am currently a third year computer engineering student. I have some of that technical quotient, some of that creative quotient, and some of that determination, and I keep striving on to become a wholesome person. And now, welcome all of you to this community because GDSC को resume में लगा डाला ना तो resume झंगा लाला. This is our awesome technical team.
Okay, this was so cool.
I know, right? Let us add to this coolness by playing some games.
Guys, we have planned a surprising quizzy game for all of you. You will find the link in the chat box. Please feel free to join us there. We are here to help you if you need anything. Yeah, guys, there is a link in the chat box.
Guys, do go and play the game. It's stored.
It's gonna be fun. Guys, I hope everybody can access it.
So guys, please enter your real name.
Yeah, please enter
Please enter your real name, as there are many gifts and goodies stored in for you. So
yeah, at the end of this session.
At the end of this session, the winners will be getting the one. Anyone joining, or we should start? Nishant?
Just wait for 1
Can
minute.
start joining. Wait. Yes.
Yeah, we can start.
Good going, guys. We can see Tejas Sharma leading it from the front. Yep.
Check, guys. Don't Google it. Tejas Sharma still leading. The teachers decided to win.
We'll wait for everyone to finish the game.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see if anybody can.
Come on, guys, beat Pratik.
Who's leading?
Pratik.
All right.
Rugved.
Rugved and Prisha. Yeah.
Looks like it was a tough competition between first and first position.
Yes, Shraddha is there to beat Pratik. Guys, did you all have fun? Let us know in the chat box.
Or maybe by your reactions. Oh, there are so many reactions. Great. I guess they are all having fun.
Wait for it.
Keep the josh on. There is more coming. So we'll wait for 1 more minute and then let's declare Pratik our winner. Yeah, Pranav?
Yeah. I guess 65 players have completed the game. We'll wait for a few minutes and we'll be moving forward.
Yeah, sure.
I guess we can end the game.
So who's the lucky winner?
One. I
Just
guess
a
Prateek. Prateek has decided to. Like I said. Congratulations, Prateek. We hope you appear in the Google search results for this unique achievement here.
Congratulations, Prateek. So, what's next in this exciting journey?
So hey guys, this is the timeline for the year 21-22. This will be this is what you will be getting from GDSC. You can expect some cool info sessions and also some improvising words from big brands such as Swiggy, Cred. We all share the connections in this such big companies. You can expect some great persons joining us from MX Player, Google, and also Amazon Prime. So I'll just give the overview of the timeline. June and between July and August, we had the lead onboarding and core onboarding section. Next, we'll be having some couple of cloud campaigns, then followed by Android campaigns, solution challenges, Google campaigns, and ML campaign. Next slide, please. Yeah. So these are some perks of joining GDSC VIT. It's as I previously mentioned, there will be some info sessions and tech talks from the people from these big billion startups. Next, you will get a chance to network with them. You will get a chance to interact with them personally. Nextly, we'll be having some not many certifications and badges you will be getting from Google to flex it all over, which will be adding the value to your resume. Next, we'll be having early access to the members who are joined to GDSE. We'll be having early access to all the Google challenges. Nextly, we'll be sharing courses and resources from Google for free, and there will be many freebies and rewards. Next slide. Next slide, Nimish. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
you're
yes.
audible.
Nimish, are you there?
Nimish? All right.
Yeah. So guys, here at GDSC, you will learn, grow and develop. GDSC is not a committee, it is a community. So that makes it all about you, about us. This is about all of us with a shared vision of innovation. Let me walk you through the quick process of connecting with us and be a proud member of the most happening club on the campus. Pranav?
So
Over
how
to
do we
you.
become a GDSC member? As Riddhi correctly mentioned, we share a vision here of innovation. So I'll show you the process of how can you join us. Next slide, Nimish. Yeah. Dishant will be posting a link in the chat box where you can see the interface shown on the screen. Just go there. We'll stay here for a while. There's a join us button. You can click on that and get yourself on board. We'll be waiting for a while for you all to complete the process. Meanwhile, I'll just mention the highlight of joining us. As soon as you register on the GDSC community website, you'll all be getting a mail where you can redeem your badges. The badges are only for the members who have joined and completed this process.
Guys, we'll be waiting for 5 minutes. Let us know, okay? When you're done.
Let us know in the chat box when you're done.
Yes, and if you guys face any issues like in registering, let us know that.
Yeah. Yeah, Pratik. You'll find the link in the chat box. Can you please respond? Like, am I audible to you? You'll find the link in the chat box where you'll be going and clicking on the join us button. Click on the join us button. People from all the class, all the standards like SE, TE, BE, all of you all can join.
Guys, I hope you all are able to access the chat box.
Yeah.
If you guys don't have any problem, just raise your hand so that we can get to know what exactly query you have.
Yeah, Kanishka, you raised your hand. Hey, Abhishek. You have raised your hand. Is there any query on your side?
Abhishek, I have unmuted you.
Actually, we are not having access for chat box.
Not having access for the chat box. Sonali, could you please check?
Abhishek, have you joined the team?
No, I have joined this meeting through link.
Guys, we'll do one thing. Put the link for the team in the chat box. They'll join and they'll get the access. Like there is so much coming up now. We'll need chat box. Hello, Pranav.
Yeah, Riddhi?
I think we should put the link for the team in the chat box again.
All right. Dishan, can you please post the link in the chat box? Yeah. Also, the badge link is available. After filling, you can redeem your badge. This link will be only working when you have joined the community.
Mohit Sharma, do you have any doubt?
Issue with that chat box.
Sonali, just do one thing. We can go to the settings dashboard and give access of chat box to all now. Please check with it.
Okay, I'll check.
Guys, wait. Everybody will able to see the chat box. Just wait. People who can see the chat box, go and register yourself, okay? And if you face any issues there, let us know.
After you're done, just claim your badges. A link is shared by Dishant. Here we can do a thing. Dishant, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
We'll be
Please.
having a report now. We'll be having a report of the people who joined the meet now. This meet.
Yes.
So those who aren't able to join now, complete the join us procedure now. We'll be getting a mail after the meet where you can join, where you can be available with the link. Okay. So we'll be sending them all the link to join.
Sure.
Yes, we'll do. Yeah. So let's move ahead. Yeah.
Yep. I guess.
So guys, now that you are a proud member of Google Developer Student Club, it's time to flex it. Yeah.
And how will we do that?
Yep, created this special Instagram filter to make it easy for you all. Click a selfie, post it on your stories and feed, and tag us. You'll find the link in the chat box, and those who cannot find the link will be getting a mail. Yeah. After doing your onboarding process, click
Guys,
yourself and post.
those who can't access the chat box now, just go to GDSC VIT Instagram handle and you will find the filter below there. Just use it and do tag us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lucky,
Don't forget to
lucky
follow
winners. Yeah.
the Instagram account. You'll find the link for the account in the chat box as well. Also, lucky 3 selfies will be getting very cool and exciting goodies such as these. Remember, we have time only until midnight. Let's not miss this chance.
So all the photogenics, let's go.
Go
Just
guys,
hit the
check
follow
out the
button.
filter.
Yeah, just hit the follow button
Make
before
sure
you
follow
post the
it.
selfie, so that we can notice.
Yeah, we can notice you. Go and follow the Instagram page so that we can notice you. Over to you, Pranav.
Just we'll wait for a while and let them come back after putting the selfies up. Yeah, we'll be waiting for a couple of minutes and moving forward. Yes, our PR team says many of them has already put up their stories. So guys, be quick.
Yes, Shubham Thakur, do you have any doubt?
Yes, the links we are mentioned in about the social media handle, we can edit it later than, right?
Yes, you can edit later.
You all can fill those details later also. For instance, you can just be the member of this club.
Good going, guys. There are many notifications coming up that you are posting the stories. Great to see you all.
Pranav, can you repeat again what to do now?
About what? What do you want me to repeat?
You said about the Insta filter, right? So what you have to do?
Yeah, Insta filter.
You said about the Instagram GDSC filter, right?
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
You said about the Instagram GDSC filter. So what
Yeah.
we have to do actually?
You have to post your selfies with the GDSC filter. Firstly, you have to follow GDSC VIT on Instagram. That we notice you when you post the story. And lucky 3 winners will be getting the cool goodies in front of you all, and also some stickers and all stuff like that.
Okay, got it.
Just don't forget to tag us, okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
Guys, you will find the link for the filter in our Insta handle.
Just hit it up there. Yeah. All done, Riddhi? Can we move?
Yes. Next slide, please.
All right. Nimish? Yeah. So that's all, guys. We take this opportunity to express our profound gratitude and warm regards to our guide, Professor Sachin Deshpande sir, for his support, exemplary guidance, monitoring, and constant encouragement throughout the process of establishing Google Developer Students Club on campus. We also take this opportunity to express a deep sense of gratitude to our principal and other respected authorities for their cordial support, valuable information, and guidance which helped us in setting up the club through various stages. Next. The journey is going to be awesome. Just stay connected with us throughout the year. There will be many such beautiful events from us. Yeah, next slide. Just make sure you stay connected with us. In the you will find the links in the chat box.
So it really is a full packet dhamaka.
Yeah, I told you so.
Okay, बहुत हुआ. Play my songs now.
Nahi, ab seedha Discord bro. Join the groovy music channel. Let's vibe there, guys. And this is not a goodbye. See you soon. Keep rocking. Until next time.
See you soon, guys.
Your host,
Connect
Riddhi,
with us.
Sonali, and Ria, signing off.
Thanks a lot, guys, for joining today. Hope you enjoyed the session.
Stay connected with us on Discord. We have a lot.
Guys, see you all on Discord. We have very amazing sessions on our Discord channel. Make sure you join it and feel free to come.
There are
Thank
many
you, guys.
people
Thank you so
have
much.
already joined the Discord, I guess. There
Yeah,
are many
many people have.
Until midnight,
You
you
can
can
put
put
the selfies tonight.
Yeah,
Until tonight.
till today midnight. Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. Even if you are not able to access the chat box, we will send you all the links through your email only. Don't worry.
Nimish, play some music now. Starting wala laga de music. Nimish. Nimish is busy with the tech stuff. He's a very studious person. He might be completing his assignments.
Yes, no doubt in that.
Bye.
All right, if not Nimish, can any one of us just share the screen and play some music? The starting one would be great.